Harbor Freight just released some new ITC deals. It's going to be good for the month of March. In fact, it's going to go until April 2nd. So you do have all of March to get these deals. And there's many good ones to cover, in which I'm not going to be able to cover them all, but I'm going to show you the top deals to consider. I am starting off with the 20% off on all Thunderbolt Edge and Thunderbolt Magnum batteries. So you definitely have a wide selection of different batteries to choose from to get the 20% off deal. So it might be a good time to pick up some batteries. Now, it's not the cheapest that we've seen it because other times I think they've been as low as 50% off. But if you're in need of some batteries, might be the time to get some. All right, the next deal is going to be on the Vulcan MigMax 215. So it's a 215 amp, 120 volt or 240 volt. So the dual input voltage. This is normally priced at $900. And during the ITC deals, you can save $120 off of that, making it $780, which if you're not an ITC member, it is $30 a year if you buy it online or in the store, or you could opt to go for a 2-year membership for $45. That's limited to going in the store and signing up in the store. They do not offer that deal online, but it's obviously a way better deal to go for $45 for 2 years. And they have a deal on the Titanium Unlimited 200 welder. This is also dual voltage of 120 or 240. It does have an LED readout, and it's an all-metal drive system. This is normally priced at $800. In the ITC deal, you could save $100 on that, making it $700. Now, I haven't seen this one before. It's the Hercules 8-inch professional bench grinder. It has a 1 horsepower motor, and it includes the 36 and 60 grit wheels, and it has a cast iron base to it. The regular retail price is $200 for this. So the ITC deal, you could save $30 on it, making it $170. Now, one thing I noticed with the Hercules one is it does not have a LED work light like the Bauer options do have. So it's kind of weird to me, but maybe it's not as important to have an LED light. And the next deal's on the Bauer 15 amp, 35 pound, inch and an eighth hex lower wall breaker hammer. It is normally priced at $400. So you'll be able to save $100 on that, making it $300. All right, this next deal, they don't have a display on at the store. It's going to be on the Predator 1200 watt power station. So it's bigger than this 350 watt one, and this is what it looks like. So you're gonna be able to save $60 on that, making it $690. So it's rated at 1200 watt power station. It has a 1060 watt hour capacity. So they are having a good deal on the Franklin 500-pound foot operated hydraulic table cart. It does lift to a height of 28.25 inch high. It has a non-slip rubber mat to it, and it has 2 locking swivel casters as well. I have the 1,000-pound version of it, and it's been great. And here's what it looks like when the cart is lifted up. The normal retail price is $250 on that. For ITC savings, it's gonna be $50 off, making it $200. And the next deal is on the Badland Apex 5,500-pound short drum UTV winch. It is normally priced at $250. And you'll be able to save $40 on that, making it $210. And it does come with a 27-foot synthetic rope, 10-foot wired remote, and it's rated at 18.4 foot per minute line speed and IP68 rated. It also is equipped with a premium hook. And they have decent savings on the Kenway wireless towing light kit. So it's rechargeable lithium ion batteries that provides up to 100 hours of use and 100 feet of operating distance from the lights to the 4-way connector. It is normally priced at $150, so you'll be able to save $30 on that, making it $120. And they have decent savings on the Predator 200-watt super lightweight foldable solar panel. It does weigh only 18.25 pounds, and it's rated at 1,000 watt hour of power output per day. It is normally priced at $230. So you'll be able to save $40 on that, making it $190. That's actually a pretty good deal because I haven't seen it go below the $200 mark before. If you're gaining any value from this video, I would appreciate that you do give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video. And also be sure to subscribe for more deal videos like this I do in the future. I really do appreciate that support. Now let's move to the next deal. And the next deal is on the Daytona 1.5-ton aluminum floor jack. It does have a max height of 14.25 inch, a minimum height of 3.5 inch. It does have a rapid dual pump to it. It is normally priced at $140. You can save $30 on that, making it $110. That's a decent deal right there. And it looks like they brought back the same deal from the last month of ITC deals. And that's on the Pittsburgh 2.5-ton aluminum floor jack. It does have a max height of 18 5/8 height and a minimum height of 2 2/3 inch. It also has a dual rapid pump to it. It is normally priced at $220, and you can save $50 on that, making it $170. And the next deal is on the Fisher 750-pound heavy-duty ATV or mower high-lift jack. It is normally priced at $280, and the ITC savings is $50 off, making it $230. So this alone would cover a 2-year membership with that savings. And they also have a deal on the Pittsburgh Racing 2-ton rapid floor jacket. It's aluminum one. It has a max height of 15 and 7/8 inch and a minimum height of 3.5 inch. Also has that dual rapid pump to it. It is normally priced at $200, but you can save $60 on that, making it $140. That's a good deal. And I know some of you have been waiting for a good deal on the 42-inch double bank top chest. Well, they have a good deal on it now. It does have the 9 different colors, including this new purple, which is pretty nice. And obviously comes with the drawer liners, just like the boxes do. So this top box is normally priced at $450, and you can actually save $100 on that, making it $349.99. It's an excellent deal, and like I said, it is available in the 9 colors. So this would be the time to get it if you're in the market for it. And they do have decent savings on this Yukon 1-drawer 46-inch mobile workbench. It does come available in 3 different colors of the black, red, and blue. It is normally priced at $330, and it has a nice hardwood top to it. With the ITC deal, you can save $50 on that, making it $280. That's an excellent deal for this box. And we'll open up the drawer. So again, they also come with the drawer liner. They're not soft close. And we'll take a peek inside. So it has organizers on the door itself to put maybe different spray cans or cleaners, and it has a couple shelves as well. So if you're in the market for a 30-inch 1-drawer service cart by US General, they have this one that's a 30-inch one. It's normally priced at $140, and the ITC deal is you can save $40 on that, making only $90. This is going to be an awesome deal to pick this up for that price for $90. It is available in the 8 different colors, not in the new purple yet. So this is going to be a better deal, saving the $40 on this for the ITC deal versus the parking lot sale that's coming up here, where you're saving 25% on it, which I think that comes to around $105. So definitely an awesome deal at $90. And in case you missed my recent video I just posted where I took the 1-drawer of this service cart and I added it to the 4-drawer cart, I show step by step on how to do that process of adding that 1-drawer to it. So this would be a good time to pick it up for $90 to get that 1-drawer, and then you can outfit your current 4-drawer cart that you might have recently got on a good deal, which they had an ITC deal on that for $160. And this is again going to be another cart that they're going to have on 25% off deal in the upcoming parking lot sale. I will be sure to link that video I just posted on adding that 1-drawer to this cart, so you can check it out. All right, the next deal's on this Bauer 12-inch benchtop drill press. It's rated at 6.2 amp motor, and it does range from 530 to 3100 RPM. As a built-in LED work light and laser alignment to the table. It is normally priced at $300 for this, which you can save $50 on that, making it $250. And they do have decent savings on this Predator Max Performance horizontal shaft engine. So it's 459cc, 15.8 horsepower. It is normally priced at $450, and you can save $70 on that, making it $380. And here's another good deal on the US General 3-shelf steel service cart. Again, this is going to be another item they're going to have on the parking lot sale for 25% off coming up here in March. It is currently priced at $70 for it. So during the parking lot sale, you could save 25% on it. But if you're an ITC member, you'll be able to save 29% on it, making it $50, which is $20 off. It's going to be an excellent deal on that. And they have decent savings on the Icon Extended Reach Ratcheting Serpentine Belt Toolkit. So there's 13 pieces, as a 6-inch extension bar, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive adapters, 6-point sockets from 13mm to 19mm. It also has a crow foot wrench to them as well, and it comes in a nice molded plastic case. It is normally priced at $70. So you'd be able to save $20 on that, making it $50. And they're going to have a couple of Bauer deals on the 20-volt ratchets in both a 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. They are each normally priced at $60. And for ITC members, you can save $15 on each of them. So there's a decent savings for these tools. And it is tool only for both of them. And the next good deals on the Hercules 13-piece bimetal hole saw set. They do say it cuts 15 times faster and 3 times longer life. It does have slotted sides to them, so for easy plug removal. These are the hole saws that it does include, from 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 2.5 inch. It has 2 arbors, 2 pilot bits, and 1 hex key. Comes in a nice plastic case, and you are able to drill into wood, plastic, steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and brass. It is normally priced at 58 bucks. So you can save $13 on that, making it $45. That's a good deal. And they do have a decent deal on this angle grinder by Hercules. It has a 2-position handle to it and a tool-free guard. And it's rated at 11,000 RPM with a paddle switch. It is normally priced at 65 bucks. But you can save $15 on that, making it 50. That's a pretty decent savings right there. And they have good savings on the 4.5-inch double row segmented diamond cup wheel by Hercules. And it is normally priced at 50 bucks. This would be ideal for grinding into concrete, thin set and mortar, and masonry. You can even out concrete floors or remove the thin set from doing a tile job. So like I said, it's normally priced at 50 bucks. So you can save $10 on that, making it 40. They're gonna be running a great deal on this Bauer 2.2 amp quarter sheet sander. It's rated at 15,000 oscillatings per minute. It has a high power sealed bearing motor, 6-foot power cord. It has the onboard dust collector right there. This is normally priced at 25 bucks. But you can actually save $10 on that, making it $14.99. It's an awesome deal. And they have great savings on the Hercules 16-inch tool bag. It's made of heavy duty durable stitching. It has a large main compartment with 6 pockets and has a super tough tear resistant fabric to it. It is normally priced at 17 bucks, but you can save $7.05 with that, making it $9.94. That's going to be an excellent deal on this Hercules bag. And it looks like it also comes with a shoulder strap as well. And they're running an awesome deal on the Apache 3800 series case. So it's going to be different from the 2800 series, the smaller one that they're doing during the parking lot sale. So the ITC deal on the bigger case here, it is normally priced at 40 bucks, and it is available in 3 different colors of the black, orange, and tan colors. So you do have some options there. So you'll be able to save $15 on that, making it 25 bucks for this case. It's gonna be an awesome deal on this. And as you probably already know, if you watch my other previous videos, I do have these cases myself, and I do love them. And they are watertight, dust-proof, and impact resistant. And they do have decent savings on the Bauer storage system. It's the modular organizer with the see-through lid, so you can put different parts or screws in the different bins, and then stack it with your other Bauer boxes. It is normally priced at 40 bucks, so you can save $10 on that, making it $30. And the next deal is on the Vanguard 50-foot 12-gauge extension cord. So this would be rated for heavy duty use, like the big power tools like table saws that would draw a lot of amps. And it does have the 3-prong outlet on the end. It is normally priced at 50 bucks for this. And the ITC savings is going to be $10 off, making it 40. So that's 20% off. So if you recently acquired a new generator, they do have this Predator 25-foot 30 amp flat generator extension cord adapter. It has 4 prongs on the end there, and you just plug the one end to the generator to the 30 amp plug, and it is 25 feet. It is normally priced at 60 bucks, and you can save $10 on that, making it 50. And they have pretty good savings on the Doyle 3-pound steel drilling hammer. It has double shock resistant comfort grip handle. It is normally priced at 18 bucks, but you can save $6 on that, making it $12. And they have decent savings on this Braun pocket floodlight. It's rated at 750 lumens. It's a 3-in-1 with high, medium, and low modes to it. It has a scratch-free magnetic base to it. It's impact resistant, and the head of this rotates 360 degrees, so you can create different lighting angles. They show it here in a US General box. And obviously you can rotate the head on it. It does have the USB-C for faster charging. And here's what it looks like lit up. So it starts off in the low mode, and that is nice and bright. So they do have it available in the green, blue, red, and yellow colors. And they're each priced at 30 bucks. In the ITC deal, you'll be able to save 6 bucks on it, making it $24. And they do have another Braun light deal. It's the headlamp that's rated at 700 lumens, runtime of up to 15 hours and 30 minutes. Does have a range of up to 420 feet. It has spot and flood modes to it. And the head of it does swivel down, so you can control the angle of it. It does have high, low, and strobe modes to it, and being rechargeable. It is normally priced at 25 bucks. An ITC deal is going to be saving $6 on that, making it $19. And they do have another ITC deal on the Pittsburgh 13-piece deep impact socket set in the half-inch drive. And the SAE does range from 7/16 up to inch and a quarter. And the millimeter size does range from 10 millimeter to 32 millimeter. So you do have a couple options there. They are normally priced at $32, but you can save $7 on them, making it $25. And which, if you missed out on the last month's ITC deals, they were actually $20. So they were $12 off. And they have decent savings on the Quinn 4-piece plier set. So it includes a 10-inch groove joint pliers, 9-inch lineman's pliers, 8-inch long nose pliers, and 7-inch diagonal cutters. They are normally priced at $25, but you can save $5 on that, making them $20. And they have good savings on the Doyle high performance V-Jog groove joint pliers that are the 10-inch ones. So they are adjustable and they are normally priced at $13, but you can save $5.01, making them $7.98. That's an excellent deal there. And here's another Doyle deal. It's on the high leverage diagonal cutting pliers that are 8-inch ones, and they're normally priced at $16. And how about saving $4 on them, making it $12? So I'm going to have an excellent deal on the Hallmaster 2-pack of the 1/4-inch cargo D-ring anchors. I use these in my cargo trailer, and they work pretty decent for holding the ratchet straps in place to while secure cargo. Well, they are normally priced at $3, and so you'll be able to save $1.50 on them. So basically 50% off, making it $1.49. So they're going to be doing deals again on the G1 Icon ratchets. So if you missed out on the previous 2 months where they were running deals on them, you'll be able to secure it again this month coming up here. So they have many different deals on G1s. I'll show you the list that I have and maybe pick up some if you missed out on the previous 2 months. I did watch the Den of Tools video mentioning that they're going to be phasing out the G1. So obviously they're trying to unload them and sell them through. So that's why they're running these deals on them for now 3 months in a row. And I'm going to show you the different deals that they do have on them. So you're welcome to pause the video. This is the flyer here from the ITC member deals on the different Icon ratchet deals. So they have very many different ones of different amount of savings as well. So you can certainly pause the video, take screenshots to see all these different deals. And they even brought back the deals on the gold ratchets too. So you can save $12 on the 1/4-inch one and $12 on the 3/8 one. And like this is a good deal on the 1/4-inch stubby low profile ratchet for $20. That's saving $8. But then they have the 3/8 stubby where you're only saving $3 on that one. All right, so that's going to be it for the Icon ratchets. And here is a QR code that you could scan on your phone to pull up all the ITC deals, in which I'll also put a link down in the description too that goes directly to the ITC deals so you can check them out online. All right, that's going to be all the deals I'm going to cover in this video for the ITC deals that goes until April 2nd. So as I mentioned, I will put a link in the description below so you can check out the remaining deals that I did not go over, and be sure to check them out because there's many more to consider as well. So if you gained value from this video, I would appreciate it that you do give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video to help spread the word to other deal enthusiasts, and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.